Hi everyone. Today I'm going to start a journey into the cosmos. So imagine this. No stars, no planets, no galaxies, no light, not even darkness, because darkness requires space, and space did not exist. There was no sound, no motion, no past, no future, not even time itself, just nothing. Yet somehow, from this unimaginable nothingness, the entire universe appeared. Billions of galaxies, trillions of stars, countless planets, and on one tiny blue world, life. For thousands of years, humans have looked up at the night sky and asked the same question: where did everything come from? Ancient civilizations believed the universe was created by powerful gods. Some imagined it emerging from a cosmic ocean. Others believed it was born from a mysterious cosmic egg. But as science advanced, our understanding of the universe began to change. With powerful telescopes and mathematical discoveries, scientists found something extraordinary. The universe is expanding. Galaxies are moving away from each other in every direction. No matter where we look in space, distant galaxies appear to be drifting farther and farther away. This discovery revealed something astonishing. If the universe is expanding today, then long ago it must have been smaller, much smaller. And if we go far enough back in time, everything in existence must have once been compressed into an incredibly tiny point. All galaxies, all stars, all matter, all energy, everything. Scientists believe that about 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began expanding from this extremely dense and hot state. This moment is known as the Big Bang. But the Big Bang was not an explosion in space, because at that moment, space did not yet exist. Instead, the Big Bang was the birth of space itself. It was the moment when space began expanding and time began moving forward. Imagine compressing the entire universe into something smaller than an atom, all of existence packed into an unimaginably tiny region. Scientists call this mysterious state a singularity. Inside this singularity, the temperature may have been trillions of degrees. The density was almost infinite, and the laws of physics as we understand them may not have worked at all. Then suddenly, space began expanding. In an instant, the universe started growing larger and larger. Energy began transforming into particles. Matter started to form, and the foundation of everything we see today was created. But this leads to an even deeper mystery. If the universe began with the Big Bang, what existed before it? This question sounds simple, but it creates a strange problem, because according to many scientists, time itself may have begun at the Big Bang. If time started at that moment, then the idea of before may not even exist. It would be like asking, what is north of the North Pole? The question seems logical, but the answer simply doesn't exist. In the same way, the Big Bang may represent the beginning of time itself. There may not have been a before at all. But not all scientists agree with this idea. Some believe the universe might have emerged from something even stranger. At the smallest scales of reality lies a bizarre world known as quantum physics. In this microscopic realm, the rules of nature behave very differently. Particles can appear and disappear spontaneously. Energy can briefly exist even in empty space. In fact, empty space may not truly be empty. Tiny bursts of energy constantly flicker into existence and vanish again. These events are known as quantum fluctuations. Some physicists believe that the entire universe may have started as one of these tiny fluctuations, a microscopic burst of energy that suddenly expanded. Space appeared, time began, and the universe started growing. What began as something unimaginably small eventually became the enormous cosmos we see today. Galaxies forming across billions of light years, stars igniting with incredible power, planets orbiting distant suns, and eventually, life emerging on a small planet called Earth. But there is another possibility that is even more mysterious. Some scientists believe our universe might not be the only one. Instead, it may be just one universe among many. According to a theory known as the multiverse, countless universes could exist beyond our own, with different laws of physics, different cosmic histories, different structures of space and time. Our universe could simply be one bubble in an enormous cosmic ocean. New universes forming constantly, while others fade away. If this idea is correct, then the Big Bang was not the beginning of everything. It was only the beginning of our universe. But proving the existence of other universes is extremely difficult. For now, the truth remains one of the greatest mysteries in science. Even today, scientists continue searching for clues about the origin of everything. Powerful telescopes observe distant galaxies. Space missions study ancient radiation left over from the early universe. Every discovery reveals another piece of the cosmic puzzle. But the deeper we explore, the more mysterious the universe becomes. Why does the universe exist at all? Why do the laws of physics allow stars and galaxies to form? Why do the constants of nature seem perfectly balanced for life to exist? These questions may take centuries to answer, or perhaps they may never be fully understood. But one thing is certain. Every star in the sky, every galaxy across the cosmos, and every atom inside your body all trace their origins back to a single moment in cosmic history. A moment when the universe suddenly began expanding. A moment when time itself began. A moment we call the Big Bang. And that moment was only the beginning. In the next episode, we will travel back 13.8 billion years to witness the moment when the universe was born and uncover the true story behind the Big Bang. So stay tuned and subscribe for more. See you soon.